Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Crypto T over here. I hope you're doing great, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Before we dive in, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, please. I really do appreciate it. Today we're going to answer the question, is the bull run really cancelled? There are plenty of people out there that truly think this bull run is over, and I'm here to tell you that I believe they are wrong. And I think Bitcoin will go way higher than the current price right now. And the only thing we need is patience. Before we dive into Bitcoin, I also want to dive into Caspa, of course, today, because Caspa is my favorite altcoin. So let's dive in. If we take a look at the markets, we are currently in the fear zone in the fear and greed index. Historically, this is a great time to buy, or DCA in better said. If we dive into Bitcoin, we can see that we actually are trading in this downward price channel. And it is, let's be honest, this is a bearish pattern in the sense of we have a downward price action. Some people call this a bull flag. I'm not so sure if we still can call it a bull flag. Nonetheless, we probably, and I believe with like a 70% probability, that we actually going to break out to the upside. It will take some time to actually see the breakout, and we have, like, in my opinion, a 30% chance, or better said, probability that we break down to the downside. We have some important support zones. The first one is laying around 45, 55K. Until now, we are still holding this level. If we break this level, I believe we go to 50, 51, 52K support zone, and I'm expecting that that will be a really strong support zone. Of course, there is a possibility that we will break below that zone as well. But for now, that is only in the future. So let's focus on those two support zones. Eventually, I'm expecting that we will bounce up from this trend line, and we're going to retest this up trend line of this downward channel. And actually, in the end, we will break to the upside, because I truly believe Bitcoin is going to 100K and beyond in this cycle. And I'm pretty sure about that. So Bitcoin is a waiting game. It's a patience game. I know there are fears among a recession and so on, but in every cycle, there is a lot of FUD and fear. I'm not selling anything. I'm DCAing in, and I'm holding on. I believe we're going to make it, guys. So this is the most important thing for Bitcoin. We have to have patience. We can break to the downside, or we have a breakout to the upside outside this downward price channel. So before we dive into the chart of Caspa, let's take a look at the current spot of Caspa. And the thing I like to see is that it's still on spot 22. So Caspa is not losing value in comparison to other projects. We are still holding strong, and I believe it's a matter of time before Caspa is crawling up to the top 15 and even top 10. I think that is truly possible. So even if the market remains the same in the sense of bullishness, I think Caspa can go up, because Caspa isn't that correlated to Bitcoin in comparison to other projects. Caspa truly has a price action of its own, and we are now in the corrective phase of the Caspa cycle, but I think we are almost bottomed out right now. So 14.2 to 14.5 cents is a really strong support zone, and I believe we're going to hold this level. If Bitcoin is breaking down to the area of around 50K, then we're probably going to fall through this level. But for now, I believe we're going to hold strong. And it is a matter of time before Caspa is going to trade up. I think the fundamentals of Caspa are getting better and better. For example, Cashplex tweeted this month. So this month we're going to get the ecosystem KRC20, and I think that is really bullish because it will bring adoption to the Caspa chain. And also good positive thing is the hash rate. We are above 1,000 petahashes per second, so really, really bullish, guys. I'm loving Caspa, and I'm even buying more at current prices because I think based on the power law for Caspa, what I'm not going into right now, but if you want to learn more about that, please check out my Patreon. The link is in the description, and if you want more info, you can check it out. And I'm also diving in the power law for Caspa over there and how you actually can trade Caspa to grow your bag based on the power law for Caspa. It's pretty interesting in my opinion. So check down the link in the comment section for my private Discord. So based on the power law for Caspa, this is actually a really good buy zone for Caspa in the sense of risk to reward. So guys, I think things are looking good fundamentally, but we have to be patient. I think the chance that we're going to see the cycle top this year is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. It looks that we're going to have a conversion and like a normal cycle, the 4-year cycle, and that we're going to see the top of Bitcoin and the general crypto market medio next year, 2025. So the Bitcoin bull run is just starting out, in my opinion. We aren't any in the way of a full bull mode yet. So patience, guy. Stack your Caspa, stack your Bitcoin, and we are all going to make it. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I really do appreciate it, and I wish you all a wonderful day, guys. Take care.